What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Nice fort you built there, kittens.
Flippy built it.
Hi, honey. No problem. See you soon.
What did Mom want?
She wants me to make dinner, so I'll order pizza.
Yay!
Done.
Let's make up a story until Mom gets home.
What about?
About Flippy.
And what should we call the story?
Good idea, Flippy. We'll call it Beep, Beep, Beep. Once upon a time, there was a robot named
Flippy!
With his stretchy arms and tools, Flippy could be very handy.
One day, Flippy saw a commercial on TV about Beaver Bob.
Do you like to build? Are you handy with tools? Then Beaver Bob wants you on Beaver Bob's Building Brigade. Yes, you!
I want to build too.
Yeah, I'm sure Beaver Bob would love to have us in his building brigade.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Hi, Bob. We heard you're looking for builders.
I sure am.
Then we're your kitties.
Great! I want you two to work with Flippy here as a team.
What do we do first?
Hang this swing nice and low so little kids can get on it.
Let's do it.
Here are your tools. Hold them, Flippy. Ow! I said hold it! Oh, ow! Ooh, ow.
Make sure to hang it nice and low, Flippy, like Bob said.
That swing is way too high. I told you to hang it low.
We told him to hang it low.
Okay, we'll fix the swing later. For now, let's try moving on to your next job. I need you to attach the slide over here and build a ladder back there so kids can climb up to the platform. Go, go, go!
Now, Flippy, make it tall so it reaches all the way up to the platform. Tall. Understand?
Great. We'll go attach the slide.
Slide's in place, just like I told you. Now let's take a look at the ladder. That's one fine ladder for a dollhouse, but it's too small for the slide.
We told Flippy to make a tall ladder.
Can't we just work without Flippy?
No, you're a team. You need to figure out how to communicate with each other. I'll give you one more chance. Fill up the sandbox.
Kate, maybe we should speak slower?
Flippy, stand up. Tall.
Okay, stay right there. He does the opposite every time.
Hey, wait a second. If we ask Flippy to do the opposite of what we want, maybe he'll do what we really want.
Yeah, let's try it. Flippy, be very quiet. All right.
To the sandbox.
The sand has to be dumped inside. So we'll tell Flippy the opposite.
Flippy, please dump the sand outside of the sandbox. Yes!
Well done! So you figured out how to work together?
Yeah, watch.
Flippy, hang the swing high up, please.
Just a little higher, okay?
Good job, Building Brigade. Wait, I mean, bad job, Flippy.
Great story, Dad.
You mean lousy, right?
Hi, everybody. Where's dinner?
Pizza time!
Works every time. If you want Dad to order pizza, just ask him to make dinner.
Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitty, kitties, let's go.
Everybody ready for the beach?
Yeah!
Fun in the sun, here we come.
We can't go swimming when there's lightning outside.
No fair, Grandpa.
We've been planning this forever.
This was gonna be the best day. Now it's the worst.
I'm sorry, kittens, but this is out of my control. I'll tell you what. Maybe we could make up a special big story.
About Fuzzicles?
Yeah, Fuzzicles who got to do just what they planned.
Okay, and what should we call this story?
I know. That's the plan. Once upon a time, there were some Fuzzicles who loved to go to...
The dentist.
No! To concerts.
And today they were planning to see their favorite singer, Fuzzy Fuzzbottom.
But just when they were about to leave, a tree fell right on the car, and they couldn't go to the concert after all. The end.
No problem, Grandpa. They didn't even need the car.
Right. They could just walk there.
Oh, but when they got to the bridge, it collapsed for no reason. And so the Fuzzicles stayed home and ate soup. The end.
No. Kate and I totally got this, Grandpa. We'll take them ourselves.
Yeah, in a kitty-copter.
A kitty-copter?
Yeah! Go, kitty kitties, let's go!
Come on, Fuzzicle. We're taking you to the concert.
Nothing can stop us now.
That's what they thought, because just then it started raining.
No problem. The kitty-copter can fly through rain.
It started raining cheeseballs.
Whoa! It's a cheeseball hurricane. Our pierogi blasters are overwhelmed.
We'll have to land this thing and wait until it stops.
Good thinking, Kate. Looks like that was the last cheeseball.
Nope, there was still one more. Ready for that soup now?
No, we got this. We'll just have to walk to the concert from here.
Come on, Fuzzicles.
We'll be there in no time.
But then suddenly a giant scary monster stepped out of the forest and blocked their way. You'll never get past me!
Don't worry. I got this.
Ah! A monster!
Way to go, Kate.
Let's hurry. We can still make it on time. See? I told you nothing could stop us.
Are you ready? Then let's hear it for the fuzziest bottom of all, Fuzzy Fuzzbottom!
Oh no! Fuzzy's lost his voice.
And so the concert was canceled.
I'm sorry, you guys, but there's nothing we can do.
And after the Fuzzicles put on their own concert, they went home and ate a delicious dinner
Soup?
with a side order of cheeseballs.